Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to do more learning of opposites by looking at the book Africa by Rebecca Hirsch. Rebecca Hirsch is the author of Africa, and she uses a lot of descriptive words to teach us about Africa. Do you remember what describing words do? They tell us more information about something. Africa has hot deserts. What is the describing word here? The describing word is hot. Now, can you think of an opposite word from hot? You can use your picture on the screen as a clue. This desert looks hot. Cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Cold describes another continent. Can you think of a continent that is cold, which would be the opposite of hot? Antarctica is cold. Now let's describe Africa's savannas. Savannas are places with a lot of grass and few trees. Savannas have wet seasons when it rains a lot. What is the describing word here? Savannas have wet seasons. The describing word is wet. Now, what is the opposite of wet? The opposite of wet is dry. Now let's describe Africa's animals. Africa has wild animals. What word describes Africa's animals? Wild. Africa has wild animals. Wild describes the types of animals in Africa. Now let's think. What is an opposite word for wild? Calm. Calm is the opposite of wild. Let's describe Africa's animals. People visit Africa to see its amazing animals, people, and places. What word describes Africa's animals, people, and places here? Amazing. They visit Africa to see its amazing animals, people, and places. Africa's animals, people, and places are amazing. What is the opposite of amazing? Ordinary. Ordinary is the opposite of amazing. The word ordinary describes things that are not amazing. They might be typical, normal things, and you might not even notice them. We might not notice a robin in the yard because it is ordinary to us, but we would definitely notice a gorilla because it is amazing. Let's go over the new opposite words to remember. Hot is the opposite of cold. Wet is the opposite of dry. Wild is the opposite of calm. Amazing is the opposite of ordinary. And here are the describing words in English on the left and in Spanish on the right.